Finding the right SEO expert on Fiverr can be a game changer for your online presence. Start by thoroughly researching potential candidates. Look for sellers with high ratings and positive reviews, especially from clients in your industry. Pay close attention to their portfolio and case studies to ensure they have experience with projects similar to yours. When you've narrowed down your options, don't hesitate to reach out and ask questions. A good SEO expert should be able to explain their strategies clearly and set realistic expectations. Be wary of those promising overnight success or guaranteed top rankings, as these are often red flags. Instead, look for professionals who emphasize sustainable, white-hat techniques that align with search engine guidelines. Before making your final decision, consider ordering a small test project. This allows you to assess the expert's communication skills, work quality, and ability to meet deadlines. Once you've found the right fit, clearly outline your project requirements and goals. Remember, effective SEO is an ongoing process, so consider establishing a long-term relationship with your chosen expert. And here's a bonus tip. Click the link in the description below to get an exclusive 20% discount on your Fiverr order. Don't miss out on this opportunity to boost your website's visibility and drive more organic traffic to your site.